Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Suratila Marani Faiza Putri. My SID is 201101060H and I'm from DB1. In this video, I will explain about translation and interpreters. Okay, going to first chapter. It's say about the difference between translation and interpret. Translation focus on writing skill, text arrangement, and text structure. If interpret focus on communicative relationship, speaking skill, gimmick, and fluent. Translator and interpreter do similar tasks but in a different setting. An interpret convert any spoken material from one language into a different language. If translator convert any written material in same manner. Okay, going to second chapter. It's about translating theory. There are 6 theory about translation. The first is Cap-4 theory. The second is Numak theory. The third is Nida and Tiber theory. The fourth is MIDTERM theory. The fifth is Brilliant theory, and the last one is Wells theory. Going to chapter 3. It say about kind of translating. There are 2 models, Savory and Jacobson. Jacobson divided into 3 models. The first is interlingual translation. It means translation in same language. For example, Indonesia to Indonesia, Japanese to Japanese. And the second is interlingual translation. It means translation in different language. For example, English to Indonesia, English to Mandarin, English to Japanese. And the last one is intersemiotic translation. It means written into movie. For example, novel adaptation. Okay, and the Savory model is divided into 4 models. The first is perfect translation. This is translation we can see often in public area. For example, stains dilarang merokok in Indonesia transferred into English to be no smoking area. Okay, the second model is etiquette theory. The translation is have aimed to get the general information of the source text for fun reading. For example, translating popular short story, web novel, webtoon, or comic. And the third is composite theory. Translation of literature and well make enough to make message, meaning, and style of the text transferred can another language well. For example, a novel, The Man and the Sea, to be laki-laki and loud. Okay, the first it's about research and technical translation. It means translation and focus on related or have content in science. For example, translating books, computer for science. That's it for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.